Anatomy of the human gray body. Gray anatomy. Gregory Nolan Odell. Profound esoteric consequences await those that have had experiences with Jivatma grays, and the memories of such have been deluded by the linguistic determinants associated with Hollywood grays. The reality of the experience is not lost forever, and the eidetic memories will return, as the reality of the experience cannot add on or take away from what actually did happen. Most encounters with gray-type aliens are in fact encounters with human etheric bodies called jivatmas in the East. Likewise, jivatma spiritual experiences have striking similarities to gray alien-type encounters in the West. Gray-type experiences are not in every case alien to those that report their encounter and are in some cases themselves respectively. Those that report experiences with jivatma etheric bodies or gray extraterrestrials are marked by a series of experiences that begin as a child and continue throughout their lives. Pritchard. This is true in my own case. However, in my case, I did not correlate the experience with gray extraterrestrials until recently. My experiences are therefore unique and void of most sci-fi clutter that deters the mental image in which illustrations are drawn. Nevertheless, true representations of gray extraterrestrials in the form of drawings have been difficult and require the employment of artists, illustrators at anatomical precision illustration. Jivatma grays are multidimensional entities with large eyes. The eye characteristics display a unique astronomical 3D depth that is difficult to illustrate. Our earliest drawings are typical to most reported gray illustrations, as Figure 6 represents. Unhappy with artist representations of 2005, we used clay models such as Jivatma mask, Figure 7, as photographic images to filter in 3D software and adjust by brush. The mask brought us closer to actual representations so we continue with clay modeling as a bust represented in Figure 8. We went on to build a model with a full torso represented in Figure 8 and small figured Jivatma statuette, see Figure 9. True representation of the Jivatma eyes were still a problem, and several 2D drawings illusions were used, such as Figure 9 and Jivatma mask illustration in Figure 10. The actual experience representing the Jivatma eyes can be experienced within a few seconds of relaxed focus on the lower eyes of the cartoon drawing. Our first Jivatma gray alien animation was produced in summer of 2006, titled Alien Explosion, using the features of the gray models. Our first Jivatma gray alien animation was produced in the summer of 2006, titled Alien Explosion, using the features of the clay models in 3D software. See Figure 13 and 14, Alien Explosion. Final rendering in the summer of 2007 brought us to an almost exact likeness of a gray Jivatma as in Figure 3, and various new themes were drawn as per artist's representation in Figures 15 through 23.